Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today is an oracle card reading, a message for you today from Mystery Witch School. The oracle deck I'm working with today is Earth Magic by Stephen Farmer, and I'll put those details in the comments field under the video on YouTube. Before we start though, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path and Tapping into Abundance. If you want to know more about Wicca, witchcraft and shadow work, as well as tarot and oracle readings, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos on YouTube. If you're watching Facebook, do all the like and follow and all of that stuff on Facebook as well. I haven't pulled a card yet, so I'm going to pull that card now. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, but you don't really know where to begin and kind of how to pace yourself, I have a free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. There's a link in the description field below this video on YouTube for you to access that free video, and I'll also put a link in the Facebook post as well if you're watching this on Facebook. Beautiful cards. It's got that beautiful shamanic tree there where you've got the tree above and the tree below, or the roots down into the ground, so that you've got that energy of as above, so below, and the three worlds there, which is very common in some traditions, some magical traditions or pagan traditions. It's been modernized, of course, as everything has been, because well, things progress and change as we humans do, and nothing stays the same. Okay, and her card has fallen out, so I'm going to go with that card that has fallen out. And this card is about strength. So strength is your theme for today. So as I look at this card, it's called Mountain, and on this card I'm seeing, of course, mountains, beautiful purpley coloured mountain in the background, and in the foreground the mountains are a little bit more on the more ochre side. So there's a lot of energy there of fire and water I'm seeing in this card. So we've got strength, and there's strength in balance. There's a strength in the balance between the fire in us and the more flowy, watery aspects of ourselves. And finding that strength where we know that we can be strong and fiery and stand up for ourselves, but at the same time we also can be like water and flow and be patient and work with those more fluid aspects of ourselves as well. So today in this card, and I don't have my glasses on, so that might be a good thing because I'm not seeing things in real detail. I'm just getting a sense of what this card is today. I'm seeing that there's needing to be a balance between your fiery aspects and your watery aspects to gain that sense of solid strength in balance and in equilibrium. So where in your life can you perhaps balance your water and your fire element? Where can you step into your fire element to perhaps have more courage, perhaps to have a little bit more confidence in yourself and flow at the same time, to be able to be flexible, and instead of trying to fire through something, to maybe go around it like water does. Water wears things down, and water can certainly be very, very strong force over time because it has this ability to be able to wear things down and smooth things over, but it happens over time. Whereas fire is something that is very hard and very fast in a way. So it's an interesting idea to balance the two because they seem so opposite. Even in astrology, they're kind of opposite elements. And you can have sometimes a lot of conflict between water signs and fire signs because they're so different and often don't get each other. But when we come to walking the path, we're looking to be more balanced and have more equilibrium on our path. So how can we learn the fiery aspects of ourselves and the watery aspects of ourselves and use them to work together rather than being in conflict all of the time? So that's quite a thing to ponder. This message may be for you, or it may be for somebody you know that it's coming through you, so you may be a conduit for someone else, to be a messenger for someone else. Either way, this card is the message for the day. It's called Mountain because mountains symbolize strength, but I'm really getting the elements of fire and water coming out for me today in this card. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, at the beginning I said that there is a link to a free video. Download that to see where to start and how to pace yourself through the things that we do in a modern sort of more Wiccan approach to witchcraft rather than, say, more traditional witchcraft. And have a look at that. And yeah, it's all free. So, start again. Okay. Is that the CTA I wanted to do on this one? If you want to learn tarot, I am working on a tarot course at the moment, and I'm soon to launch a live version over Zoom on it. So make sure that you're on my mailing list or subscribed to either Facebook or YouTube to know when that course is going to be available to you. It's going to work on helping you read the cards for yourself and for other people and give you a lot of fun things to learn about the tarot in a way that's actually going to help you read the tarot rather than just try to struggle through guessing what the cards might be in particular readings. You might know what the meanings are, but putting them all together can be the most tricky part. So that's what the tarot course is all there to help you understand the cards so that you can start to use your intuition to be able to read. So if you want to know more about when that's happening, make sure you're on my mailing list. So either sign up for any of my free newsletter or How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice, which is a free masterclass. You can also sign up for the Spellcaster Checklist, which is another free PDF. And that way then you can get on my mailing list. Just make sure you tick the box to say you want to still hear from me so that you will get updates of when the course is coming out for you. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.